So we're back. Let's take off the drive axles. It's a 17 up. Special racing wheels. Makes you go faster. Oh. Milwaukee does it again. Long bolts for the big rims. When you take it off, put your knee against the wheel so it doesn't fall and damage your rim. Up. If the rim is loose on the wheel, and it seems to be. Look. Yep. Nice. Always mark the wheel so you know where it comes from. And we're gonna put it right over here. Up. So this looks like number 10 Vertex. Let's loosen that one up. And yeah, we'll be good. Then we're gonna loosen the little bolts over there. I can access them from here, but I'll show you from under the car. It will be easier. So this one can be turned loose. If you get it loose with the impact gun, I'm gonna take the big one. Always works. If it doesn't, take off the center cap, put the car on the ground and take the big bore. Yep, that's it. So this one. Nope. Think I had a stronger one. Let's check it out. Where did I put the strong one? This could potentially break off. Something like this. That will be a bit stronger. But I don't seem to find it, so we'll be forced to take this one. Other ones are normal. No. Special Volkswagen socket to get the cylinder heads off. Yeah, pretty expensive. Over here, aha! This is a bit stronger, isn't it? It's also a set from Laser, make pretty good stuff. And I think this is 14, and we can put the sockets on this one. 19 sockets, so we'll take a normal one. Yep, that will work. Bam. We'll take the big gun. Milwaukee is good, but this is for the big boys. The very big boys. So, put it in. Up. And there we go. Yep, no damage done to nothing. And when you take this one out, the grease is inside the homokinetic bearing, so make sure it stays clean. Up. Put my tools back. Then I took this one out, also a nice set you can find on eBay, BGS. It's a popular brand, and normally it's size 10, I think. Yeah, size 10. And the plan is to go underneath the car and get it out. Yep, like this. So, yep. If you can put a wrench or Milwaukee in the good spots. Yep. So we cannot damage the yeah, we'll need to break it loose, I think, by hand. And we need to block the axle from spinning. So yeah, if you turn the wheel a bit wide, it doesn't matter much. No, just always take this one. Okay. Then the axle boot is almost free here, or we can exit from over there. From over here, but with a very long extension.